What is going on YouTube? Bryce Crispy94 here, bringing you another mini painting video. And this time, like I announced in the previous mini painting video, we are doing the one and only Avi Mosswalker, played by Mr. Cryoquake himself in my D&D one-shot campaign. Oh, my face isn't on here. There we are. In my one-shot campaign, he was in the first episode of that series, Missing in Paradise. He is a Firbolg fighter. He wears some heavy chainmail armor, and he has his two-handed glaive, plus his magical Ring of the Ram, which kind of saved his ass in the final battle. That's all I'll say about that. If you guys haven't watched it, go check it out. It is amazing. You can see his little buddy Stan right here. This is actually the second Stan figure. It was painted off cam because we've already painted Stan. This will be shipped to Mr. Blazing Torchic for purposes and reasons. If you would like to know the reasons, go watch the other campaign, which is the Brawl in the Pits, I believe is what it's titled. I don't even know what the title of my own campaigns are, but it is the second of the one-shot series on my channel, so go check that out. The reason I'm doing Avi is because Cryo will be playing Avi again in the upcoming campaign. That's all I'm saying about that. I guess I did say it is a high seas adventure, but that's it. That's all you guys are getting from me. High seas adventure coming soon. Come check it out. If you want to be in it, join the Discord, and when I get ready to pick the players, I will post an announcement and just react to that announcement, and I will contact you if I choose you. But yeah, enough about Avi. Let's get these paints here. Let me find them all, and then we'll start painting once I announce all the paints. So yeah, I 100% forgot to get the paint out before I started this video, but I got it now, so let's go over it. So for the majority of his armor, he wears a greenish gold color armor, so I'm going to do some experimenting here and combine green glitter with bright gold. If that doesn't really work, I'll throw in some tainted gold to kind of darken it up, but definitely going to be some mix and matching for the main color of his armor. Now, the leather bits on his armor are just going to be done in the rigid leather, such as his gloves, the insides of his little skirt thing here, the inner workings of his armor on the sides, I believe a little bit around his legs here as well. So then we are going to do his weapon in shining silver, the blade at least in shining silver. The rest of the blade is going to be done in tainted gold, as well as some highlights on his armor, such as the back of his legs, his belt, the outer workings of his gauntlets. I believe that is it. Maybe the back straps as well, or the straps of the gauntlets will also be done in the tainted gold. That's right. I'm going to give him a combo of these two skin tones. He is more leaning towards the topaz skin, but a little lighter, so I'm going to go with the fair skin just a little bit to make that lightness on his skin tone. His hair will be done in a nice green flame color, and then darkened with a black wash. Obviously white for the eyes, green for the eyes, and then the base I am going to do in a Feywild Emerald, and then the ring around it will just be black. But yeah, enough talking, let's get to painting. there you have it, guys. We have the one and only Avi Mosswalker, all painted. Just a special shout out to the one and only Cryoquake for getting me into D&D. This is his character. I'm so happy to bring it to life for him. Just wanted to throw that out there. So yeah, let's go over this guy. So I did go ahead and change a few things from my initial plan. I changed the skin tone. I just went ahead and did straight up rosy skin because that's basically the color I was going for with the skin anyway. Actually, that might be the only thing I changed now that I think about it. Oh, I did the green off cam around the edge because I completely forgot about that after I was done. It's like, oh wait, I was totally gonna do that. But yeah, I love how this turned out, especially after I did the black wash. Oh, right there on the chest, that looks so good. I did, from his initial design, I tried to match it as closely as I could. I changed up the handle a little bit. I added some silver back here. I have primer all over my hands. I've been priming things for future paints while this finished to dry. Anyway, I changed that up, and then I changed this and this piece as well. No, I did those correctly, yeah, because that's the green gold over the gold, which is kind of hard to tell, but yeah. Other than that, I think I kept his design. Oh, nope. He had this gem on the middle of Avi's chest here, the same color as the armor. And when I went to do that, it looks good on his Hero Forge version of the character. But when I went to do it on this version, it blended into the armor too well, and I was like, well, that seems like an important piece. So I just went ahead and made it more of an emerald green. But other than that, I think I did a really good job of matching Cryo's image of Avi, and I am super excited for us to get to use this mini in the next one-shot that is coming later this month. Again, all I'm saying is it will be a high seas adventure, and it's one you don't want to miss. So that's Avi. I hope you guys enjoyed. Can't wait for the next painting video because it's going to be pretty sweet. So look forward to that, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.